shebang.
Okay.
Yeah.
How has their opinion influenced the direction that you're going in when it comes to the company?
Their opinion like just gave me so much confidence, because a lot of the stuff that I was saying, I thought they were going to be like, why is she trying to change everything? And they were like, oh no, you're right. Like, you're right. Like, because especially when I was talking about like rebranding, I was like, I know you all like approved of this can label, but, and they were like, no, the fact that you even thought of that is phenomenal, because, you know, we support whatever you want to do, but we'll be honest, when we look at this label, you're thinking about being in the market, blase, blase. So it really just gave me confidence in my direction as a business owner, my vision of the company, and it just really showed me that I was growing, that like I was able to see these little things that experienced veterans were picking up. Probably weren't going to tell me, but they validated my decision. So
what's the importance of standing for your recipe?
Everything. Because what will happen is you'll walk in and then you start with a recipe and you allow people to have too much like input, and the next thing you know, it's not your recipe anymore. And you know, then you don't really feel like, I mean, yeah, you have a product, but it doesn't really feel like it's yours. I think with my first brew, I love them, they're so amazing. One of the guys that was like one of the brewers, very experienced, a veteran, he was telling me how I didn't need to open ferment with the chamomile. He was like, oh no, you know, because we tried it right out of the direct tank as we were brewing, and he was like, yeah, no, the chamomile's fine. I don't think you don't need to add anymore, you're good. And I was like, and the other girl, she's a girl brewer too, and we were looking at each other, and I was like, okay, all right, you're right. I was like thinking the brew day was still going. And I went up to the female brewer and I was like, I was like, no, we gotta put the chamomile in there. Like, we gotta put the chamomile in there. I was like, I respect that he's a veteran, but no, I want more chamomile. And so happy I did that, because if I didn't, the beer wouldn't have no chamomile, because once you ferment out a beer, sometimes the flavor profile is lost, but because we added that extra pound of chamomile during that fermentation, the chamomile flavors like really came through. And then the female brewer, she was like, I'm so happy you went with your heart. So, because otherwise I would just had a blonde ale, no chamomile.
What's the importance of the flavor profile?
It's everything.